Welcome this video. Video title is Elevate Your Entrance Front Home Idea to make a last impression. Introducing your home entrance is the first thing guests see. Make it crucial to create a welcome and impressive space, whether you have a grand front porch or a compact enteraway that are naming a way to enhance its appearance and reference your personal style. From landscape to lights and everything in between, here are front house idea to transforming your interest into captain focal point landscape. The landscape around your interest set the tone from your home interior. Consider incorporating lush gardening, colorful flower, and will main interest part away to create a warm and invite atmosphere. Studying place, shape, and tree can add while flower bed or pot plants can adjust of color. Do not forget to keep the area note and will resisting and move to wedding. Statement door. Make a both statement with your front door by choose a vibrant color or unique design that reference your personally, whether it's a clothful shave or read to shave black or a custom make wood door with detail. Your front door can elevate your cub appear of your home pay with style, hardware and fixing for add touch of elegant color. Popular lights not only enhance the aesthetic of your interest but also rent soft and security. Install outdoor light fix such as both lighting or overhead light to eliminate They part away and highlights architecture functional. Consider incorporating board store light to add various approach and mood due over or seasoning decor lumber or choose seasoning by incorporating seasoning decor into your front home interest different warm and colorful bring topic from life those are endless possibility to add charm and personalization to your interest thought out of here. Just remember to update your decor to keep your interest look fresh and invite outdoor sit. If you allow, consider add outdoor sit to your front porch or entryway. A choosy brim chair or broom suit can create a consider broad reference and consider interest the comfort and style of your outdoor seat bomb with weather resistant cabin pillow and decoration could complement your home architecture. Architectural detail highlight the architectural function to your home interest with decoration. Consider add chrome or to frame the outdoor away, create a scene. Architecture detail can add chapter D and charm to your interest, make it stick out from the rest to of the neighboring personalization touch. Inform your personal front home interest with personalization touch with reference your unique style and info. Display artwork and personalization sync that showcase your personally and welcome guest with warm and hostel. Incorporating interests that hold such as family photo price to create autonomy personalization